Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another interesting example of unusual pedigree, and we have to find coefficient of relationship of the individuals H and I. So this is going to be half uncle and half nephew related on two sides. So we have to find coefficient of relatedness of individual H and I. And we have to find first who is going to be common ancestors of individual H and I, and this is going to be individual D, who is going to be father of individual H and going to be grandfather of individual I. Also we have here individual A, who is going to be a grandparent of individual H, would be grandfather and would be grandfather of individual I. And another common ancestor would be individual B, who is going to be grandmother of individual H and would be grandmother of individual I. So our calculations would be individual D would pass his genes to both his grandson and to his son. So 1, 2, 3 passes here. So we are going to have here 1 half in the power of 3. And also these two people, H and I, would be related through the common ancestor grandfather A. So grandfather A can pass its genes through this following passes, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 passes, so plus 1 half in the power of 4, and the last pass would be through the individual B, also going to be common ancestor of H and I, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, so plus 1 half in the power of 4. So what we are going to get here, 1 half in the power of 3 would be 1/8 plus 1 half in the power of 4 would be 1/16 plus 1 half in the power of 4 also going to be 1/16, and 1/16 plus 1/16 going to be 2/16, or 1/8 plus 1/8 would give us 1/4. So our answer going to be that coefficient of relationship of the individuals H and I would equal to 1/4, or we also can say 0.25, or we can say 25%. And do not mistake, do not say that 0.25%, because this number is on the scale between 0 and 1. And on this scale, 0.25 equals to 25%. So only one person here, C, we do not include in our calculations, because individual C would be a grandmother of individual I, but would be genetically unrelated to individual H. So individual C and H wouldn't share nothing of their genetic makeup, none of the genes. Individual C would pass to individual H, so we can exclude this person. And by the way, because we have here loops, can you tell me what would be coefficient of inbreeding of individual I? And actually those we have here visual loops. Gene flow from individual A and B would stop on the individual H here, and individual H wouldn't pass none of the genes that he got from his grandparents to individual I. So actually those we see here visual loops but inbreeding coefficient of individual I would be 0. There is no inbreeding here. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.